Namaste, I am Agaranthesh of class 9B. I am here to present you about carbon cycle and also about the greenhouse effect. Now let me explain you about the process in carbon cycle. Carbon present in the atmosphere is absorbed by plants for photosynthesis. These plants are then consumed by animals and carbon gets bioaccumulated into their bodies. These animals and plants eventually die, and upon decomposing, carbon is released back into the atmosphere. Some of the carbon that is not released back into the atmosphere eventually becomes fossil fuels. These fossil fuels are then used for man-made activities which pump more carbon back into the atmosphere. Carbon cycle shows the movement of carbon in elemental and combined states on Earth. Diamond and graphite are the elemental forms of carbon, and in a combined state, it is found as carbonates in minerals and as carbon dioxide gas in the atmosphere. Carbon cycle explains the movement of carbon between the Earth's biosphere, geosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Carbon is an important element of life. Carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is taken up by green plants and other photosynthetic organisms and is converted into organic molecules that can travel through the food chain. Carbon atoms are then released as carbon dioxide when the organisms respire. The formation of fossil fuels and sedimentary rocks contributes to the carbon cycle for very long periods. The carbon cycle is associated with the availability of other compounds as well. Even though carbon dioxide is found in small traces in the atmosphere, it plays a vital role in balancing the energy and traps the long-wave radiations from the sun. Therefore, it acts like a blanket over the planet. If the carbon cycle is disturbed, it will result in serious consequences such as climatic changes and global warming. Carbon is an integral component of every life form on Earth, from proteins and lipids to even our DNA. Furthermore, all known life on Earth is based on carbon. Hence, the carbon cycle, along with the nitrogen cycle and oxygen cycle, plays a vital role in the existence of life on Earth. Now, let's see about the greenhouse effect. A greenhouse is a glass structure that can be used to cultivate plants. The sun rays warm the plants as well as the air within the greenhouse. The heat trapped inside cannot leave and hence warms the greenhouse, which is necessary for the plant growth. The same is the case in the Earth's atmosphere. The sun heats the Earth's atmosphere during the day. When the Earth cools down at night, the heat is radiated back into the atmosphere. The heat is absorbed by the greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere throughout this process. This is what warms the Earth's surface, allowing for the survival of living beings on the planet.